if you are new to gardening or you love having fun gardening, welcome. This channel is all about gardening, sharing tips, sharing knowledge, and having fun doing it. So today I'm going to show you how to replant herbs, and the herbs that we are going to plant today is going to be parsley, the curly parsley, and let's dive right in. Alright, so what we are going to plant today is this extra triple curled parsley, and that's what we are going to plant. And there is 2 in here, so I need 2 pots to plant this. And what I do is, since I already have my soil, I just make a little hole inside here, and then I'm showing you step by step how you can replant any herbs, whether it's the curly parsley, regular parsley, or any herbs. I make these little holes in the soil, and then I'll do it for this one as well, just like that. Alright, so then we are going to remove these one at a time. This is dried out, so you just have to be careful with it. I just make a little dip in here because there's another one in here, so there's a little space, and then I'll try to move this. If this will not work, I just put something down here to remove it a little bit easier, because I don't want to break anything in here. And then like that, so this can come out, so we see, and this is what it looks like. And we are going to plant them. Remove this as well. Alright, so then I am going to put this in the hole like that, and then I just push it down. I bring more soil on here, push this down, make sure all the leaves are out of the soil, raise it up, and then push it down so it will be solid down there. Then I add soil and then push it down. Just these two fingers each side, like that, and then like that. So that is in there, and then I add fresh soil beside it. That way they have enough soil around them, and this is going to do well. See, this is all stable now, and then just hold it at the middle. So that's it, and we are just going to give it water, and I do this for the same one. Just put this in there, make sure push it down with my 2 fingers, down, and then add the soil, push it down more. Okay, I add more soil beside it, and with that should be enough. And you can see it's steady, it holds it in the middle, it's steady. Once you push it down, you build the base, so it's not going to be falling on and off. It's stable in there. Now all we have to do is give it water, and just give it water. I remove this and use my hand to fill the water quickly. Okay, now we can see that should be enough water. 1 gallon of this is enough, and that should hold it in place. next one water as well. Give water to these as well. Alright, so now that we've given water to our curled parsley, this is just going to start growing because it's already grown. So this is how you replant any herbs. It's easier this way for me than making my own seedlings, because that takes time as well. But this way you replant it, you take good care of it, and then that's it. So we're gonna see probably this within 3 days. You see that it's all stand firm and then start growing. If you want to see how I grow okra, how to plant okra, how to plant yam, Ghanaian yam, how to plant or grow collard greens, you can watch those videos. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comment section below for me. And don't forget to share this video if you help somebody who is just a beginner into gardening. And also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel because this is where all the fun is and I love it. So I hope to see you on the next video. And where are you watching from? Also, what are you planting this year? Have you thought of what you can plant? Vegetables, herbs? Start with just 2 containers. It's easy and you will love it.